my name is Priyanka and I am an interior designer. And if you're watching me for the very first time, then please do consider subscribing us. Because here on this channel, we discuss so many things about our homes, like how to decorate and organize it. And that too in a very teeny tiny budget. And if you like the concept of this channel, then please do consider subscribing us back. And in this video, I'm going to share how I have created this miniature fairy garden. Now the question is, what is the difference between fairy garden and the miniature fairy garden? Miniature fairy gardens are very different from the actual fairy gardens, because in actual fairy gardens, we used to replicate the garden in a pot, where we used lots and lots of things like buildings, chairs, houses, live plants and so many things to make it look more real like a garden. But in miniature fairy gardens, we try to use very limited number of things to make it look like a fairy garden. So here in this spot, I tried to create a small part of a village in it. I used this ficus plant, which is a bonsai ficus, and you won't believe I got it just for ₹100. I got it from a government nursery. So if you'll find any government nursery to your place, do visit them. And I know they'll have very common plants, but once you compare the prices with the private nursery, you'll find them very reasonable. If you have government nursery, it is a request from my side, please do visit them. So I used one of its branch to hang this swing. I made it out of twig, a branch and very limited number of plants. And all these plants are very low maintenance. If you'll forget watering them, they'll stay good alive for 4 to 5 days. And to achieve something like this, it is very simple. So without any further ado, let's get into the video now. So first of all, we're going to pot the plant. This is a oval shaped planter. I got it from a local nursery for ₹80. So for bonsai plant, it is very important that you should choose a right planter, where the roots of a bonsai plant can easily spread all over, and the oval shaped planters are best for that kind. So here I have used the soil, vermicompost and coco peat. Now we are going to fix this plant. So instead of fixing it in the middle, I would suggest to fix it at the edge, so that we can very easily achieve the fairy garden which we have in our mind. So now we have planted this bonsai in the planter. Next step is to see how to make the accessories. And for that you need twigs, a pair of scissors, hot glue gun, some jute twine, some sand accessories, and of course the white stones. So here we have to remove these twigs from the branches, and you can choose whatever size you want to. First we are going to make the swing, and for that you need at least 7 to 8 twigs in one size. Remove these extra nodes from the twigs to make it look more clean and uniform. Now arrange them one after other, and with the help of a hot glue gun we are going to fix them. Now it's time to make the string to hang the swing. For that you need 4 more twigs. Just make a small triangular like this and then fix them at both the ends of the twigs which we have just made. Use hot glue gun and fix both the sides. So in this way our sitting for a swing is ready. Now you have to take the jute twine, and you can choose whatever size or length you want to. Just cut the twig in that particular size and your swing is ready. So next we'll see how we can make bench. For that you need a little broader twigs. You just need 4 to 5 of them. You can use scissors to cut them in whatever size you like to. And then with the help of hot glue gun, you have to fix them one after other. Now here I am fixing 4 more twigs to make the legs of a bench. So this is our bonsai plant which we have just planted in this planter. Now here I'm going to put the accessories like live plant, stones and bench. And in this branch I'm going to put a swing. This is our swing, and to make sure that the twines would not displace from their position, I put a knot. And now here in this branch I'm going to fix it. Now fix the swing with the help of a node. You can choose whatever length you want for your swing. And this is how the swing looks. Now on the left of the swing I'm going to put this bench. And just to make it look more real like a village, I'm going to add some live plants. So first goes the small jade plant which is right behind the bonsai plant. This is a sansevieria which is also called as snake plant. I'm going to keep the snake plant right beside the jade plant. And all these plants are very low maintenance plant. And this is how it looks. So all these things actually coming together, and it started looking very nice and soothing to eyes also. So at last I decided to put this spider plant also, which is a very small bud of a spider plant. And I thought it would look more like a grass which we usually see in villages. So I put this also. And to make this look complete, I'm going to add these small stones. I got them from an aquarium shop. And at last I'm going to keep these beads right below the swing. These beads will actually act as a pathway to swing. And this is how my very miniature fairy garden looked like. All these things come together and they're looking very, very beautiful. Now I'm going to paint this planter also with green acrylic color. And this is how it looks. It looks very pretty. You can keep it anywhere. It will make that space look more beautiful. So this is all for today's video, and I really hope you guys liked it. If so, then please do subscribe to my channel, because in my upcoming videos I'm going to give you the tour of both the balconies in my home, and also I have created so many different fairy gardens. I'm going to share them on my channel, so stay tuned for it and like the video, share it with your friends and family. I'll see you next time. Till then, happy decorating and bye bye.